So today I'm here to share with you guys the kingdalux 9-set packing cubes for suitcases, guys. This is what you guys are looking at right here. This is something that I purchased because we are going to be heading out of town very soon, and I wanted to get some packing cubes, some really functional items that could really help with, alleviating space, allowing for more space in my suitcases. I also travel with kids, and there's always something that needs to be placed in some corner of my suitcase, and it's always all over the place. So what a great way to organize your luggage. Guys, if you haven't used packing cubes yet, you will absolutely love using packing cubes, and these in specific, I just got them. They're absolutely adorable. First of all, they come in a ton of different colors. They also come in a set of 8 as well. I got the 9-pack, okay? And I got hot pink because my luggage set is actually going to be pink as well, okay? And so with that, I wanted to just get something super fun and functional. So let me go ahead and show you guys all the pieces you're going to get with this set, okay? So first and foremost, we've got this cute little drawstring bag, and I just love the message. Wish you have a colorful life, excuse me. And so, look how cute that is, right? Drawstring bag that you can put any little items into. Here's the thing with these two. They're multifunctional, so they don't have to necessarily go in your luggage. They can go in a carry-on. They can go in your backpack, right? So something like this would be great for a carry-on, okay? A carry-on item. This is also something that you can use in your gym bag, you know what I mean? That type of thing. In your whatever you want to put it in, your purse or whatever the case may be. These are also really great options for your pool bag. Let's just say you're going to the pool with your kiddos or with your family, and you need something to just put something into really quick. Some of these items are going to be great for that as well. So this drawstring bag is going to be absolutely perfect. Then we've got this really cute hanging toiletry bag, okay? So it has travel on the front, okay? And so we're going to go ahead and open this up. It's got Velcro on the bottom over here, and then of course right here, so you'll open it up that way. Look at the hanger, guys, okay? So this is what you hang inside the bathroom of the hotel room or the place where you're staying, right? Or if you're just using this at home and you just want to have an easier way to put your toiletries, you can totally do that. This could also be used as a cosmetic bag as well. You could also use this as a place to put your jewelry, right? So if you want to put your jewelry, your earrings, your necklaces up here, you can easily do that. As you guys can see, there's zippers right here and a clear pouch up at the top so that you can see exactly what you're placing within it. Then we've got another mesh pocket right here that is also got a zipper to that as well. So there's this mesh pocket. I just zipped it up, but you guys see that there. Then we have this nice size mesh pocket on the bottom. As you guys can see, it is expandable, right? It also has a zipper as well as a portion in the front of that as well for another bit of storage, which is really awesome. So this is super multifunctional. As you guys can see, there's plenty of space down here as well. And within the inside of this pocket, as you guys can see, again, expandable, which is wonderful, okay? It's got the solid plate, the solid little bottom over here. As you guys can see, I just pushed it down so it kind of makes a more solid bottom here, so that if you want to stand it up, that you obviously can. And then there's little compartments right in here where you can place your toiletries, okay? So your individual toiletries, as well as some side straps that if you want to put some larger bottles in, you can as well. So this is really, really nice. And then of course, it just folds up super easy, just like this with the Velcro. It also has a handle at the top, okay? So we're going to go into the packing cubes, and this is the part that you're going to love the most about just using packing cubes in general, because they allow you to fit so many more clothes in your luggage than you would expect, because all you're going to do is roll the clothes up and then just place them within your packing cubes, okay? So inside the largest packing cube, which is what I just unzipped for you right here, is another drawstring bag. This one is significantly larger. Okay, so you've got this large, nice drawstring bag right here. The drawstrings right here at the top. Another great thing to use not only for your suitcases, but if you happen to be on vacation or by the pool, this is something you could put the wet bathing suits in. There's so many different functions for these specific items, and so they're going to be used multiple ways, okay? Then you've got another bag in here that looks kind of like a little mini garment bag, okay? It has a portion where you can hang this on a wall as well. And again, a nice, huge size storage piece that you can literally unzip. It is also expandable, nice size. So you can put your cosmetics in here if you'd like, versus the other one, right? Or just put your larger toiletries in here and zip that up. Or this could be your, your underwear and that type of thing. That could be where you place those items. You roll them up really small. You can place a lot of that in their socks, etc. Okay. We've also got another small pouch. Okay. Again, multifunctional. You can do so many things with these, and that is also with a zipper at the top. And so if you want to add anything to it, you absolutely can, just to kind of give you guys a view of the inside of that. Okay, guys, there are so many fun things I'm going to be able to do with this. Okay, now we've got this little packing cube in here, which, as you guys can see, is also another nice size. Like, I'm so impressed by this set. And guys, there are so many varieties of colors to choose from. You are rest assured you're going to be able to find one that matches your suitcase, or if you're going for a specific color that you have a preference for, there are plenty of options to choose from. This vibrant pink is just so cute. Okay, this has a handle, as you guys can see. I'm just expanding it for you guys so you guys can actually see just how big it is. Okay, and you've got a zipper right here on the side. It zips that open, as you guys see here, and nice size storage right here. Okay, so again, more clothes, socks, miscellaneous things, lots of storage space. Okay, we are still not done yet. That's how awesome this packet is. Okay, so we've got another packing cube, again expandable, as you have seen with the others. Okay, so I'm just opening it up so you guys can see just how expandable these are. Okay, and again, another handle. So if this is something you want to carry separately, and the cool thing is with this one, it's got a mesh cover. Okay, so again, nice storage space to use. Okay, we've got this zipper over here that you can use right over here to open it up, and expandable, huge. Look how tall it is, right? And then the cool thing is with this one, it looks as though this one collapses, and if you want to, you can snap it as well, right? So we've got some snaps on here if we need to snap the items. And guys, it's huge. Like, look at this. This is great. This is great. Okay, now let's move on to the next one. The next one is another larger packing cube. Again, with another handle and with a zipper. How cute is that, right? Handle, the mesh covering, much larger, as you guys can see. So in this one, it looks as though it's got what you would find in your suitcase, like luggage straps. Okay, and this is, yes, how cool is that? So not only does it give you the expandable storage, as you guys can see here, nice and tall, but it also gives you some straps to secure the items that you have within this particular piece. Okay, so that is really, really cool. And the same goes for the largest cube, which you guys can see here. Again, nice size, because you're going to just fold your clothes up or whatever you want to put in here. We've got the luggage straps in here, which is really cool to secure the items that are in your little bag here. And guys, look, zip up the same way as the others, and you're good to go. And again, these are snapped as well. Okay, so if you want to make them smaller, you can. Okay, but all in all, you guys, this is such a super functional set. This is such an awesome set if you're looking to have everything that you need to be able to place your toiletries, your makeup, any miscellaneous items, your clothing in your suitcase and have it nice and neat and organized. You'll know exactly where everything is. And the cool thing is you can actually pull out your toiletries by just simply pulling out your toiletry bag, right, whenever you need it, instead of having to rummage through your luggage to try to find your specific toiletry like I typically do. This is going to make it so that I can have it all right in here. Same with the other items as well. So all in all, this is an amazing find, and I hope that this video helps you in making your decision.